Hello and welcome. I am your host, Cook of Soak. Today, I'm going to tackle a recipe from the Powerpuff Girls, the official cookbook by Professor Utonium or Lisa Kingsley if you want a real person. The recipe we're looking at today is Moejisha's special secret recipe tea, which is not tea, but peanut butter hot chocolate. To a slow cooker, we're going to add 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I didn't want to make a full batch, so I ended up halving the batch. The recipe says to start it on low and cook for 4 hours or 2 hours on high. Since I wasn't patient, I went for 2 hours on high. About halfway through, you want to add in a teaspoon of vanilla and half a cup of creamy peanut butter. I ended up keeping the peanut butter at the full amount in the recipe since I like peanut butter. After adding, mix it slightly, cover, and let it finish cooking. When it's done, you're going to ladle it into some mugs. Make sure you top it with lots of whipped cream, Reese's mini peanut butter cups, and some chocolate sprinkles. As you can see, my Reese's is slowly sliding into my hot cocoa. I ended up getting another one and sticking it on top, only for it to happen a second time. Let's give this a taste. Too bad about my peanut butter cup, but it is super yummy and decadent. The combo of the peanut butter and chocolate is just right. This recipe is super easy. If you want to make something for guests and not have to watch it on the stove, I recommend giving it a try. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.